All right, here we are on the 6th hole at Capilano Golf and Country Club. A gorgeous sunny Wednesday, April 26th, our third day of aeration. The staff here have been replacing a lot of the damaged scars due to fusarium that incurred through the late fall and over the winter. We're just replacing them with 2-inch diameter cores. We've done literally hundreds on other holes of the golf course, and we're working on number 6 right now. The two staff members that you see here are Morgan Robbins, Environmental Coordinator, and Jake Dueck, Assistant in Training. Drone Operator, Second Assistant Superintendent Stuart Sheridan. So those are all plugs that you can see. They've been taken from the collar of the green and placed into the middle of the green where those 2-inch diameter disease scars were. And turf is then coming from the turf nursery to the edge of the green. Should make for a much better putting surface in the short and long term.